In this video, I'm going to show you how to send photos as document on WhatsApp. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Photos application. I'll open up my recent photos, and there first I have to find the photo that I want to send. Once I find that, I can hold down on that photo and there select share, or I can open up this photo and hit there add share button. It brings us the same options, and now first I have to save that photo to files. So I hit on save to files. There I just can name that photo if I want, and then hit on save. And now I can open up WhatsApp, go to chats here, then open up the conversation, and now I can hit there at plus sign and select document. Now I'm on my files, and there at the first position I got the photo that I have just saved, IMG6. I can select that photo, and I can now just hit at open to send this photo. And now all I have to do is hit on send button. As you can see, that image has just been sent as document. You can hit on that to open it up to see that this is actually that image that I have selected. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.